Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a donate button. So there's going to be like a little button and you press it and it donates. You can donate Robux to the dev of the game. So you can go into Starter GUI, add a screen GUI. You can name this donate GUI. Then put a frame inside. The size will be 0.3, 0,1, 0 like that, or maybe instead of 3 it could be 2 here, and then make the background transparency to 1. Name this frame to donation frame. You can put a UI list layout right here. Then put a text button. And then you can make the size 1, 0, 0.2, 0. Maybe 0.1. Okay, there. Now you can put a UI corner inside. The UI corner basically smooths the corners out, and you can make it 0.2 like that, and name this donation button like that. And then the UI list layout, you can actually, instead of top here, you can just put this to center and it'll put it to center, and every time you duplicate this, there's gonna be a new button right there. You can duplicate more and more like that. I'm just gonna change the padding to 0.2. So if I duplicate it, that's way too much. Yeah, maybe 1. Yeah, that's good. Now you can color this green. Perfect. And right here you can name, I don't know, like donate 100 Robux. There, and then you can put the text scale to true. And change the color to white. Make the background like that. Perfect. And also, if you have multiple buttons like this, and for example, you have this one is 10 Robux, and then this one is 1 Robux like that. If you want it to be like the 1 first, then 10, then 100, and look, it's like not ordered, then for the 100, you go into the right here in the layout order, and you can put this to 3, and then I mean 0 like that, and then this one 1, so it's gonna be the first one, so you put it to 3, and then 10 can be 2, so it's always gonna be in this order. And you can leave the name like this, that'll be good, and then select all of them, add an attribute, and name it price, and you can put it a a string value, and name this ID. Perfect. And then now what you want to do is you want to go into the settings. If you didn't save it already, you can save it, and then when you're finished, you want to go to place, or I think monetize actually, yeah, developer products, and then you can create one. I've got a developer product right here. Press the three dots and you can press edit and you can name it to 100 Robux or donate 100 Robux, like that. And then you can put the price here to 100 Robux. You can save it and go back to the settings, go back to monetize right here, and then you can just press copy to clipboard, and then go into where to the 100 Robux and then paste the ID inside like that. Perfect. And you can do it with the other ones too. Then now you're gonna put a script inside and then name this, you can name this whatever you want. I'm gonna name this manager. And then now you can make a variable local donation frame equals not minus equals script.parent.donation frame. I'm going to create a loop, so no matter how many buttons you have, it's going to work. Okay, so for num comma button in pairs donation frame, and then we're going to get the children. So the num, I already explained this in one of my other videos. I think it's a video on how to make a zombie spawner. It's a series. I showed you how to do that too. You should check out the series. So now we're gonna want to see the button when the button's activated. I'm gonna connect that to a function. And you might have seen button.mouse button one, I think it is, or script.parent donation. Let me just see donation frame dot, I don't know, donation button dot mouse button one click. Yeah. So this does work, but let me just clarify is that it does not work for mobile. So if you're on a phone or a tablet or an iPad, it will not work. It'll only work for computer. Also, it will not work for console either. So the activated button works for computer and mobile. So that's why you should always use activated instead of mouse button one click. And now you're going to want to see if the button, we're going to get an attribute, and this attribute is going to be called ID. And if it's not equal to nothing, then we're gonna see if we can find the attribute first, and it's not equal to nothing. So now we're gonna wanna make them donate to us, so you can get the marketplace service. So game get service marketplace service. It's not gonna be long. And then you just wanna it's prompt per product purchase, and then you wanna send the game.players.local player, which is our player, because it's gonna be sending it to our player. And then you wanna just give the ID of the prompt purchase, so you can copy this and then paste it there. Now if you play the game, of course, the donate 1 Robux and 10 Robux are not going to work because I didn't put an ID inside of them. But the 100 Robux is gonna work. Oh, I see what's happening. So right now the UI list layout is not a button. So you just want to see if button, no, actually if not button is a UI list layout. Then you can just put this code inside. Perfect. Now if you play the game, as you can see there's no errors. These don't work, but the 100 Robux does. You can see it wants us to pay 100 Robux. Now this won't actually take away 100 Robux from your bank account. It's a test purchase and your account will not be charged. So you can buy whatever you want. And if you want for the 10 and 1 Robux, you can easily go into the game settings, go into monetize, you can create 2 more, and then this you can edit the first one. This will be 10 or donate 10 Robux, and this will be 10 Robux. Save it. Then you go back, go to monetize right here, and you edit the other one that you didn't edit yet. This will be donate 1 Robux, and it's already 1 Robux, so you don't have to change anything there. And then now you can go into monetize, copy the ID of the 10 Robux, go into the 10 Robux, which I think is this one, yep. And then go down to the attribute, not inside the attribute right here to the ID, and paste the ID right there. Go back, go to monetize, copy the ID of the 1 Robux, perfect. And then you can go and paste the ID into the 1 Robux right there. Now if you play the game, all of them will work. As you can see, the 1 Robux works. It's the reason why it doesn't work straight away, because it's a debounce by default that Roblox puts. So that's why. You can buy the 100 Robux, the 10 Robux, donating. I'm donating. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.